name is Crystal, and this is Tiki.
Hi.
Today, what are we gonna do, Tiki?
Today we're gonna try out this Volcano chicken ramen ×2. It's a little hotter than the last one. Look at how serious she is. She's...
I think she's trying to spread the sauce into the cup.
Yeah, actually, look. This is the cup. This is the cup that she has been mixing around. Look at how much oil and sauce is all over the sides. This is the cup I've been mixing around.
This is a dirty cheater.
Yeah, Crystal, no. Crystal,
I'm doing it with all of you.
stop it. I really didn't want to do this, actually. Like, she was trying to run away earlier, but we locked the door.
I'm not used to torturing myself.
Yeah, you're enjoying the noodles. Jeez. Don't you have anything to say from the last challenge?
It was too hot. It was
No,
yummy,
it wasn't
but
that
I
bad.
hope this is yummy.
Dude, it wasn't even hot.
You
Come on.
didn't even
Is
need
this
your
gonna be
sleeve.
yummy?
It's gonna be delicious, Crystal.
No, someone said it's gonna taste bad.
I don't know.
Well, don't believe them.
Say hi.
Alright, anyway, so we're gonna wait for Sky to put some hot boiling water in those ramen bowls.
Hi.
Back. The ramen's just about done cooking. And now we're gonna pour the water out and mix them up.
Hey, squeeze it out. You have to put in the whole thing, you cheater.
It's all out.
You can clearly see there's sauce in there. Keep doing. There's so much sauce in there.
Hey, shut up, we're doing ASMR.
You shut up. That's not ASMR, you're just smacking something on the...
I'm gonna stir it. Well. These noodles are thicker.
Did you say they're thick with 2 C's?
2 C's and an H.
Aye.
Did you do the rest of them?
Hey, chill out. I got a bunch of schmutz on my hand. Can I get
You
some?
do it more cleanly.
Can I get some towels away? Come on. You throw like a girl. Yeah, this one's a little bit underdone.
All of it in there. I can see the sauce. Stop cheating.
It's spicy.
I can smell the disgusting spice.
That's
from
still
here.
sauce in there. What are you doing?
Come on, what are you doing? Let's go.
You can still see the sauce.
Hey, we're gonna read the comments after we're done mixing these, so give us a sec, yeah? Because for some reason, Sky's yelling at us.
Because
to
Crystal's
finish-
cheating. She's trying to get out of eating the noodles.
Here, this is gonna be Crystal's, alright?
No.
Yes.
You better make sure they're all
Okay, I'm
even,
gonna
Crystal.
put all in there.
That's right.
You little cheater. I'm watching you. Alright, this one will be mine, and I'm gonna be... Can you stop killing the plants? Dude! Jeez, put him down! Our cameraman's like killing one of the plants right... So this one's mine. I'm ready. Can I get... Just give me the whole roll, please. Dude! Now it's dirty! So,
If you
why
like
haven't you guys
anime
bought a shirt?
And ramen.
Buy a shirt.
Kawaii neko. Ramen. Fuji Mountain.
Buy a shirt.
Hi.
You hear me? Alright, so, everything's ready. Give it a little smell test. It smells pretty good. You can definitely smell how much spicier it is than the other one because it burns the old schnoz a little bit more.
What's the rules?
So the rule is that we're gonna eat these.
What's the prize? Do we get a prize?
Be quiet.
Okay.
The rule is, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sound mean, but the rule is that we eat these, we wait for 5 minutes, and then we win. A little bit of a challenge. She's not gonna do that.
Let me know when you guys start.
Look at how serious she is. She's
I think she's trying to spread the sauce into the cup.
Yeah, actually, look. This is the cup. This is the cup that she has been mixing around. Look at how much oil and sauce is all over the sides. This is the cup I've been mixing around.
This is a dirty cheater.
Yeah, Crystal, no.
cheating.
Crystal,
I'm doing it for all the time.
stop
No,
it.
it's-
Right, so let's start now. You know, I never really enjoyed spicy food. I started to try eating more spicy food because I hang out with a bunch of Vietnamese people and Koreans.
Ooh.
You have to finish it.
Ooh. Ooh.
That actually tastes pretty terrible. I concede. Yeah, no, the spices in this one hit you immediately. I'm already sweating.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
I like it.
You know, my...
It's fucking hot.
Oh! Bet you don't.
What are you doing?
Shut up!
Come on.
Oh,
What's wrong, Mr. Big Strong Korean Man?
I just saw a bit of sauce. It's alright.
A lot, like profusely. You guys see this? Bring on the pain. What? Hey, Sky, come here. You good? How do you feel, bud?
I accidentally inhaled. And it's in the back of my throat.
Am I crying? My face is tingly. So you don't want to
Yes, you
finish?
are.
All right. So
How much did she eat?
she had about
I
half.
did like half it.
So she had about half. That's fine. So for the boys,
Very good. I still like the first one better.
yep.
First one tasted better. This one didn't taste too bad.
My lips and tongue and the roof of my mouth is still burning.
What? Wipe your lips.
I already did.
Okay.
This is crazy, Nick.
So next challenge, we'll do 4 packets in 1 cup. No, you have to suffer.
Wait.
What?
Did
everyone drink already?
Yeah.
The spice, I'd say it's 50% hotter. And the onset of the spice is very quick.
It's double here.
It's really low.
Double.
Tiki's,
2x.
Tiki's eyes are red.
Tiki. Sweat.
Yeah, I'm sweating quite a bit. I don't know if you guys can tell. I can actually like style my hair a little bit now.
Shiny.
I'm like super shiny on my forehead.
No, this side is wet.
Oh, like see,
Look, your hair's wet.
my hair's wet.
That's just his hamon.
But this is my hamon pouch anyway.
The first one was bad enough.
Yep.
This one, don't do it.
You guys ready for ghost pepper next week?
No.
Tune in next week for the Ghost Pepper Hot Pepper
With
Chip
Tiki
Challenge Pepper
and Sky.
with Tiki and Crystal.
Tiki and Sky.
Tiki and Crystal.
No,
Yeah,
You
no.
guys can vote. Tiki and Sky or Tiki and Crystal?
No.
Of course, they're gonna choose Crystal.
Tiki and
Tickle.
Sky.
Tickle and Sky.
Tiki and Sky.
Tiki and Crystal. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon.
If you like to see Tiki suffer,
Crystal.
like this video.
Tiki and Crystal.
Tiki. If you want to see another video of Tiki suffering, like and subscribe.
Don't forget to watch the first one.